During the early years of the Pacific War, Japan's rapid conquests overran British territories in Hong Kong, Malaya, Singapore, and Burma. However, by 1943 to 1945, Britain launched a determined counteroffensive, reclaiming lost ground and striking back against Japan's empire in the region. The turning tide. After recovering from early defeats, Britain rebuilt its forces and coordinated with Allied operations to push Japan out of Southeast Asia. Key actions included Burma Campaign, 1944 to 1945. The British 14th Army, alongside Indian, African, and Chinese troops, launched a major counterattack. Victories at Kohima and Imphal, 1944, shattered Japan's hold on Burma. Indian Ocean raids, 1944 to 1945. The British Eastern Fleet, reinforced with new aircraft carriers and battleships, carried out naval strikes against Japanese bases in Sumatra and the Andaman Islands. Operation Zipper, 1945, a planned invasion of Malaya, which was cut short due to Japan's surrender in August 1945. Aftermath and impact. Britain's resurgence in the Pacific weakened Japanese control over its vast empire and contributed to the broader Allied victory. The success in Burma restored British dominance in the region and severed Japan's land route to India. By 1945, British forces, now part of the Allied Southeast Asia Command, were preparing to launch full-scale invasions of Malaya and Singapore when Japan surrendered, marking the end of British-Japanese hostilities in World War II.